What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video we have an update on Dash, guys. It has hit a green candle back up to near about $100 mark. We did see a dip last week when it hit, well, not an all-time high, but when it hit over $95, took a dip all the way back down to $62, and right now it is back up. The crypto market is not looking too great. Bitcoin has dropped massively down to $95,000. So we'll be looking at what is next for Dash over the coming, well, for the next 2 weeks, for November, going into December and early 2026 as well. Again, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So the pump that has taken place over the last 48 hours does not mean the crypto is overvalued. It's still way below the upper level here at $126, and even the RSI is not too high. It is at 62 and 64, close to being overvalued, but it's still got a little bit of an increase left to do so. So it is likely to head over $100, potentially hitting $110, $115 over the next couple of hours, going into the early hours of tomorrow. So at the moment, yes, an overall increase is expected, is predicted, even hitting more green candles, but it is likely to stabilize around $105 for the rest of this week. Going into next week, we should see slow and steady increases in value from Dash. If we zoom in into the hourly chart, we can see in the last hour itself, it's literally gone from $84 to $97. So that is a huge increase in itself in the last hour. So of course, because it's done a huge pump in the 1 hour, it is likely to go for a little correction over the next half an hour, 40 minutes, down to about just around $90 before it slowly starts to gain value again, heading over the $100 mark towards the end of the, well, over the next 24 to 48 hours, potentially heading close to $105, $110 going into early next week as well. So again, an overall minimal increase in value. Bringing on the MACD indicator, the MACD line is looking very steep, very bullish because of the pump that's taken place. Going into the 4-hour chart over the next week, week and a half, heading into the end, towards the end of November, I am predicting an overall increase in value from Dash, potentially heading closer to $115 to $120. But again, Bitcoin does play a major part when it comes to the crypto market in general, and I am predicting it to head over $100,000 over the next 3 to 4 weeks. However, in between that time, it is likely to take a dip down to closer to $90,000, which will have a major impact on the crypto market in a negative direction. But once it does hit that, it should rebound back up, which again should make the crypto market rebound as well. Heading into the daily chart on the MACD indicator, we are looking bullish. However, we are not looking too steep, meaning this is much more realistic, and that is essentially what we want to see, a slow and steady increase in value. So heading towards December, January, going into February, I am predicting Dash to be trading around $140 to $145. In between that time, of course, it is likely to stabilize, hit red candles. It is likely to be up and down, but the overall outcome at the moment does seem to be more on the positive side. So do expect an overall increase in value from Dash over the next 2 to 3 months. Again, if you guys do want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume is up over 136%, currently at $915 million, guys, nearly hitting that $1 billion mark in trading. Over the last week, it is up 20%, over the month 130%, with major peaks here hitting, let's have a look here, guys. It did hit over $146 on the 4th of November, which was literally just over a week ago, nearly 2 weeks ago. But since then, it has taken a dip, and when it was hitting huge numbers here, I did warn you guys, do predict a major price correction to take place for Dash, and that is exactly what's been happening over the last week and a half, before it slowly started to recover over the last 48 hours. But yeah, that is my take on Dash, guys. A lot of people are saying this crypto is likely to hit the $500 mark by the end of the year, which at the moment I'm going to highly disagree with, because for it to hit $500, it's going to have to do over 5x from where it is at the moment, which, even if it happens, it is likely to crash back down. So at the moment, I am not predicting it to head anywhere, not even the $150 mark by the end of the year, guys. But yeah, that is my take and my prediction on this crypto, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high or how low are you guys predicting Dash to go by the end of 2025. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, and I'll catch you guys all in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.